Hello guys, I'm going to show you a tutorial on the 2x2. It's going to be pretty easy. So you want to turn it right here. Turn it up. That you want to get your first matching pair was orange, and then blue, green, white, and then you see this is supposed to be right here. So you wanna turn it right. You wanna turn it the bottom right like that. Turn it like that. Turn it down. Turn like that. And up. See, that's wrong. Because look, green and red don't match. So, but green and green match, but red is not. So you have to turn right here. See, you turn like that. You pull this one down. And then you see, I do that. Up. See? You want to put the white, this white, right here. So then what you want to do is with your white, you see the L you have, the L. Well, it's upside down the L, but right there. That part, you want to get the white under here, on here. So what you want to do is the bottom, you want to pull this, you want to pull it this way, pull this down, this one with the blue and white down like this. And what you want to do, you see that? You want to turn it this way to get this, and then pull it up. There you go. You got this. You got your, congratulations, you got your first side on this cube. Then you wanna, here's the algorithm. Right, up, right invert, up, right, up, up. Right invert. You see, you got when you get this. Well, it's out. The screen is opposite. You wanna get this on the left and this one on the right. Well, this screen is opposite, so it should be like that. No, it shouldn't be, but you flip the screen upside down. It's supposed to be like that. Nope. It's really confusing. Whoa. When you see like that, which is supposed to be, this is supposed to be right here, and then this is supposed to be right here. The screen is shit flipped. So, what you want to do, it's the same algorithm again. You want to, facing this and this, you want to right, up, right invert, up, right, up, up, right invert. Now you see, you have the yellow side and the white side. So and then you want to get this. If you don't get that, you have to do this twice to get this. First, you want to flip it right here. You see, you solve 3 sides. You want to be the opposite of. You want to be the opposite of your red side, or it can be any side. So and then the algorithm for this is right invert, front, right invert, back, right, front invert, right invert, back, right 2 times, 1, 2, and there you go, you saw your cube. But first, then you want to turn the cube up invert, and then you solved your cube.